Hi, welcome back to English Bridge Academy. Today we will be focusing on long O sound. But before I start, I would like to read these words and then I will go back again to the title. Now listen and be focused. The first word, as you can see, is cost. The second word is bone. The third word is window. And the last word is toe. So in each word I read, you must have heard O, coast, bone, window, toe. This O is called long sound O. So as you can see on the screen, the long O sound can be written differently in some different words. Now look at the first word. The long sound here is O and A. In the second word, the long sound is O plus consonant plus silent E. In the third word, the long O is O and W. And in the last word toe, the long sound is O and E. So now let's figure out how the long O could be written in different words. So now let's get started. As you can see in the screen here, the letter O and A say O. So the long O can be written as O and A, as in coast. The long O can be written as O plus consonant plus silent E, as in bone. The long O can be written as O W, as in window. And the long O can be written as O E, as in toe. Now let's read more words. So uh, look at the O and A. The O and A together, they say O, and this is the phonetics transcription of the sound O in English. So now I'm going to read coast, boat, coat, road, float, and this is the phonetics transcription of each word. Okay, now let's go to see how the long O could be written in these words. As you can see in the picture, this is bone, a bone, and we all know bone. Okay, look at bone. B-O-N-E. The letter O is followed by the letter N, which is consonant plus silent E. So if the letter O followed by a consonant plus silent E, the letter O says O, as in home, rope, stone, and hope. Now let's go to another pattern of spelling regarding the long O. Here, as you can see in window, so the O and W say O. So we can say the long O can be written as O and W. So as in window, snow, yellow, blow, and grow. There is another pattern we have to cover here. Uh, As you can see here, there is an O and E together. So the long O can be written as O and E, as in toe. So let's read the following words: shoe, hoe, foe, dough. So if the letter O and E are at the end, together they say O, O, O. Now let me move to another patterns. Sometimes the letter O can say O, if even if it is alone. If it is single, it can say O in some words, as in piano, piano. Look at the letter O. The letter O is at the end. Piano, go, so, no, bonus. And this, of course, has another story when we come to the syllabus. When we come to the syllables, we are going to know why the letter O in go says O, or in so says O, or in no says O, or in bonus, or in piano, because it is an open syllable. And when the syllable is open, the vowel says its name. And this is another story we are going to cover when we come to the syllables. Thank you very much. Stay well. I hope to you good time till we come back again, inshallah. This is me from English Bridge Academy. Thank you very much.